Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Let's go. Happy Monday. Finally, we're back on the charts. Oh my goodness. Super Bowl was great. How about them apples? Well, the football game was whatever. Let's go. Come on. That halftime show was fire. That halftime show was fire. Uh but yeah, right in front of us, as you can see here, we got the week ahead of us. There's no news today. They call this No News Monday. No News Monday, guys, which is not great for us. That means there's not much liquidity, not much movement, but uh, but yeah. If you're tuning in now, thank you for tuning in again. Welcome back this week. 4 weeks green. Thank you for tuning in again. Trading with David, 305. We're back. Good morning. Make sure you got your coffee. We still got time. Market doesn't open till 9:30. We're just kind of getting ready before the market opens. I like to just be in ready mode. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Let's get this money. Let's go. Let's start off good. Like we did last week, right? We start off with a banger. But we don't plan on what we're going to make. We plan on what we're going to lose. So we'll play it by ear. It is a no news Monday. As you can see, there is no news today. But we do have red folders. Damn, bro, that light right there is freaking hammering me in the face. You see the the damn light? All right, this is a window I have there. Anyways, Tuesday, red folders 8:30. We don't trade at 8:30, but that should move the market for us. That should be good. Tuesday, NFP. We got NFP on Wednesday. That was news from last week that was taken off because of the partial government shutdown, and they added it to this week because we're back, and they are projecting 70K. Previous was 50K. If it comes in lower, could be a bit of a drop. We'll see. We'll see. We'll stay tuned. That's at 8:30 on Wednesday. We don't trade till 9:30, 9:45. So that should move the market. If you guys want to jump on at 8:30 and look at the candle move, go for it. Thursday, unemployment claims 8:30. Listen, this is great. We got CPI on Friday. That should, yeah. So yeah, a lot of red folders, but early in the morning. I'm not gonna be trading it, but they should give us good momentum for the rest of the session on Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, guys. But there's no news today, so nothing to worry about unless we get a random ass fucking tweet. So I'm just saying, be careful out here. There's always risk on the table. So how we doing? How we doing? All right. So wait a minute. Yeah, we got to get this account up though, man. Only made 1,700 only. I know it sounds like that's a lot, but we need to hit 20K. So I'm gonna have to pull a move either this week or next week. I'm running out of time. But I gotta see a really beautiful setup. That's just the only way I'm gonna do it. Gotta stay patient. Gotta stay patient. All right. What else we got? What else we got? This one's like $300 away from a payout because these are funded. This one we just got funded like last week on this one, so this one just got started, but it's up $300, 366. ATR currently at 23. for the 5-minute time frame. We're looking at the 1 hour over here. We're at this zone that it always loves to go back. It looks like we're above EMA 50, EMA 200. VWAP's above us. Looks like it's in a tricky zone here. Let's see what happens. I'm definitely going to need a little more information. 5 days? No, we need like 80 days at least. Thank you. Computer just decides what it wants to load sometimes. All right, so yeah, it's trying to break back to the upside. Obviously, it hit this zone of I don't even know what to call this zone, but this zone is something. A reaction zone, guys. At this point, supply and demand zone, right? It was a supply zone, now it's a demand zone, now it's a resistance zone. It's an annoying ass zone. I don't know. I usually don't look at, oh, it's on the 30-minute. Oh boy, that would have messed up my whole flow. I think I was looking at the 30-minute. It's still in the same zone though. Let me look at the daily. All right, so y'all think this is, sometimes I feel like, come on, bro, this shit like literally tells you this. Whoever calls this, like, they don't know what they're doing, bro, because look how beautiful this is right here. This is the daily. These are daily candles, guys. Where was their reaction zone? Right here. What happened? Right here. Boink. It bounced here. This was back in November. Hit this zone, bounced. Hit this zone, bounced. Tapped EMA 200, bounce. Like, come on, bro. Come on. This is like, come on. Basic trading, guys. Obviously an area where price bounces. I put another one here. This is obviously an important zone for bouncing. All right, so I'm just gonna mark it out. That's the daily. We're gonna go back to the 1 hour and look at it down here. It's obviously pretty big, but oh, I see. So every time I move the time frames, it erases the loadout. Okay, that's weird. Anyways, we'll go back. Here we go. So we got the 1 hour time frame. And let's look at this a little bit better. So what happened? What happened? Was there a gap or no? Yeah, I think there is a gap. There is a new week opening gap, ladies and gentlemen. Where is that gap? So this was Friday, right? This is Friday. Market closes on Friday. Opens back up on Sunday at 6 p.m. Looks like it opened above, leaving this gap, went up to here, came down, broke VWAP, came down, started hanging around VWAP, all the EMAs. Looks like it came down and didn't finish filling it, bounced halfway through the fair value gap or the imbalance. Filled this little red right here that it tried to come down. Everything was balanced out, nowhere else to go. Pretty much got close to VWAP, and London session open and complete drop, filling the rest of the gap. Broke EMA 200, tapped this imbalance on the 5-minute. Looks like this right here, 972. Yeah, 972 is right here. So yeah, this 1 hour imbalance, 5-minute imbalance, bounced because obviously there was a lot of buyers sitting there from last week. Still hasn't finished filling this, guys. So let me remove some of these lines that we had from the other sessions. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, wait. There's still one down here. Has this one even been filled yet? Not really. So I'm just going to leave that one down there. That's from a few weeks ago. Let's see. All right, so yeah, we got that bounce. EMA 50 filled a little bit of that gap. There is still a little bit of gap there. Could get filled, possibly doesn't. There's still a lot of room to the upside here for imbalances to be filled. Who knows? If I want to do a bigger retest, maybe come down here, fill this, maybe come down here again, do like a double bottom. The prior day low is down here on the 1 hour, which is at 24,231. So anything is possible. Anything is possible. Let me change this, man. This is a little annoying. Sorry, that other music was kind of annoying. This one's like a little more chill. But anyways. All right, so we're going to mark this. Let's see. We are under VWAP. So technically, we're in a little bit of a downtrend, guys. A little bit. Little pullback, tap VWAP, back to down. All right. We are under the EMAs. VWAP, EMA 200, EMA 50. We are under. Looks like it's kind of bouncing between EMA 50 and VWAP right now. Boink, 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 boink. Let's see. Let me see over here. Hold up. ES. What is ES? ES is under all the EMAs and super trend is down. So that's on the 5-minute time frame. Let me see. 4 hour. 4 horas. Yeah, I mean, everything's kind of in a downtrend right now. 15-minute is down. It's in a like a little strange zone for everybody. I think it's honestly, I think today's gonna be choppy, guys. That's the truth. It could be really choppy. It could range all day, especially with no news. Strong possibility. Strong possibility. All right. Let's mark out some zones. All right. We're gonna mark London high. We got London high on the NASDAQ at 25,215, give or take. And then we got the London low. We're going to hit the ray. London low. London. Alrighty. London low is 24,967.25, give or take. All right. Those are key liquidity zones. Key liquidity zones. All right. We do have an imbalance here on the 5-minute to the bottom. And then we have some red to the top. But everything is kind of pushing to the downside right now. It kind of did a little bounce. Filled the 1 hour imbalance already. So we're going to see if it breaks to the downside or breaks to the upside. We currently really don't know. It could go either way. Either way. So what else we got? What else we got? We should probably mark out the Asia high, right? We should probably mark it out. All right. Boom. Asia high is at 25,346 with 0.75, give or take. So we know that Asia high is up there. London low, London high. We don't really need the Asia low because it's been taken out anyways. Um, we got the prior low. I believe it's down here, no? Yeah, somewhere. Oh, it's like really low. I think it's like way down here. Whatever. Whoa, whoa, abort. ATR 23 currently, pretty high for pre-market, especially with no news. That could benefit us. We'll see. We shall see. All right. So what account am I going to trade today? Well, all right. So last week made like 1,200 on the eval. So let's go. Let's go to my indicators. All right. So we got the PA7. It's not a high probability day because there is no news and there's not much liquidity, but we're still gonna look for a good setup. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 400. Let's do 500. We're behind. We're behind on that account. PA7. Oops, my bad. My bad. All right. PA7 is. ¿Cuál es ese? I don't even remember which one that is. All right. Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one needs like 300 bucks to get a payout. But since these funded accounts have consistency rules, I can't just win $400, which I mean, I can, but that would mess up the consistency because the consistency for the rules on that funded account is 30%. So on average, I have been making about 100, 120 bucks on that account. It might get me out of the consistency. So I might get to a payout level, but it won't pay me out because now I'm not consistent. So we got to keep getting the little base hits. You understand? Yeah, you can't just get 10 racks out of nowhere and they're going to pay you. It doesn't work like that. You got to show them consistency. If you want to do crazy things like this, and this is not financial advice, you get a live account where there's no rules and you do whatever you want. And if you make 10 racks, you could take 10 racks out on a live account. But if you're not experienced, that is not an easy thing to do. And chances are you're going to lose. Because you probably don't have enough in the live account for any kind of drawdown. So, all right. You know what, man? I'm not gonna get too crazy. I'm gonna do the other eval. I want to, I don't want to mess with so close to this one on a no news Monday, which, I could end up green because my chances are 70%. The struggle is real. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit. Mentally, I'll be better with this one. It's a funded account though, so mentally we need to stay correct. So let me switch it to the other PA account. Indicators. All right, so we're gonna do the other PA. Boom, boom, boom. PA 8. All right, and there we go. So on that account, I'm risking 100 bucks today. I'm sorry, total 200. Per trade 100. So that's 1 micro, 50 points or less, depending on the entry. And then on the eval, I'm risking 500. All right, yeah. I'm gonna risk 500 to make 560 or 50 or whatever. It's an eval though, and we're still up. If I lose 500, we're still up. But yeah, regardless, I'm gonna have to do a move on that account eventually to either pass it or blow it up. So that's gonna be interesting. That account cost me 40 bucks. So regardless of what happens, it was good content and good experience. Um, and we'll see what happens. Let's see if I pass it. Hopefully I pass it. That'll be fire. Some people say just go crazy on it now. Stop wasting your time. But I need to show you guys consistency. I need to show you guys how to trade. And if I blow it, like on like the second day or I mean first weekend or whatever, like I don't know. It's just kind of a waste. Let's get at least the 40 bucks worth, you know? But yeah. Did you guys see the Super Bowl or what? Put it in the chat if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Um, or if you saw it, or if you didn't see it. Uh, we go live. I mean, we go. New York session opens in the next 8 minutes, so we still got a little bit of time. A little bit of time. Wake up, guys. I hope you got some coffee. Write in the chat something. Hello. How was your weekend? All right. I know, I know. Most of you are like, all right, it's too early. I'm hungover from yesterday. I turned up for the Super Bowl. I turned up for Turning Point USA. Hey, listen, if you like that, that's great, man. Like, I don't hate nobody, man. I just, and it's funny. Like, a lot of people think I'm hardcore Republican or Democrat. Um, I'm neither. I'm neither, guys. I'm what makes sense. I like critical thinking. If something is right, I'll say it's right. If something is wrong, I'll say it's wrong. That's it. Like why do you got to be right or left? I don't know, man. I don't know. Sometimes one side makes more sense, sometimes the other one makes more sense. I don't agree with everything, and I don't disagree with everything. It's just a matter of being a clear thinker, man. Critical thinker, you know? That's all it is. I think, somebody that's so far left or so far right for me is like they're drinking too much of the sauce, guys. You're drinking too much of the sauce. You're like you're in this agenda world. Like, bro, they both have strong agendas. This is why I like the markets, because the markets doesn't care about what you think. It does what the money does, where the money goes. That's where you need to. That's why fundamentals alone don't work in trading. You need technicals. And most of the time, the fundamentals follow the technicals. So if it's showing a bullish, uh, 5 minutes, sorry, 5 minutes till the market opens, my alarm went off. Technicals are the key, guys. Good morning. Yeah, Bad Bunny was fire. Game was okay, right? Yeah, Bad Bunny was dope. Bad Bunny was dope. I like the whole message, unity. I love that. I like that. More love, less hate. How can you get mad at that, man? How can you get mad at that? If you get mad at that, like I feel like there's something wrong with you. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. Can't get mad at that. Plus, I mean, yeah, sure. He only spoke Spanish. He's Puerto Rican. That's his native language. And his songs are the biggest in the world, guys. And that's not just me. Those are facts. People are always gonna criticize, man. You just keep being you. It is what it is. People criticize me all the time, or they'll say whatever they want, bro. But none of that shit pays my bills. So I don't give a fuck. And neither should you. You shouldn't care what anybody says or what anybody thinks, man. Just try to be a good person. That's it. That's it. Anyways, all right. 3 minutes. No, that's not 3 minutes. Sorry, 4 minutes until the market opens. 4 minutes. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Bum, 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 bum. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, everything is kind of in a downtrend right now. It's in a little Goldilocks zone, which means it don't know where to go just yet. We got to watch and see which way it wants to break out to. We got to watch and see. Manage risk accordingly. ATR is at currently 23, almost 24 on the 5 minute. That's pretty high for pre-market. So I assume when the market opens, it's probably going to get up to at least 40, I think. And then, if it gets over 50, hold your horses. Hold your horses. Let's see what's going on. All right. Just a few more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Let's see what happens. Happy Monday. Let's get this money. Y'all better be on point. What happened the other day, you guys? Yeah, I usually will say what I'm looking for, and if I see it happen, I enter. So, and I'll say it like almost a minute before. So you gotta be paying attention, guys. You gotta be paying attention. Don't wait until you hear order filled on my screen. See what I'm talking about and see it on your screen. So when I say, hey, when this closes and this happens on your screen, you know, that's what I'm going to do. If I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. Like 9 times out of 10. Unless something massively changes. But yeah, stay on point. Remember, there's a like 15, 20-second delay from what you see on my screen. We got 35 seconds until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's go. 23, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. All right, here comes the flashing lights. Okay, here we go. All righty. New York Stock Exchange is open. Let's see how today goes. It looks like it's dumping. It's coming to fill the imbalances. It's coming back for this little one here. It didn't get it. Is it coming down? Is it going to break EMA 50? I don't know. We're going to find out. What is this? I don't even remember what that is. Let me take that off. Okay. I warned you guys. It might be a chop zone today. We'll see. Looks like ES is dumping also. Oh, Just swept London low. It just tapped it. Not swept, but it tapped it. It has tapped the London low. And whoa, little bounce there. Okay. Nah, it wants more. It's going down. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Yeah, I think it might go lower. Okay. There it goes. Well, at least it's kind of picked a direction. Let's see what happens in 15 minutes. Let's stay patient. Let's stay patient. This thing could flip and shoot to the moon. You just never know. But you got to stay patient and wait for that right setup. Because it could be saying, oh, I think it's going to go short. I think it's going to go lower. Right now, you're going to be getting squeezed. So it's just the swings. The swings are high, guys. How big is this candle so far? You want to know? Alrighty, let's see. The candle so far is 117 points. Play around. Don't play around. Seriously, don't play around. Let this thing do what it wants to do. Figure out what it wants to do. It wanted to fill this little imbalance that it missed out on. Clearly. And now it's getting back above EMA 50. Look at this. That is called sweep. Tap the London low. Faked everybody out that said, oh, it's gonna come fill this. Psych. No, it might come down and fill it. Don't get me wrong. But you notice that it jumped like all the way up here. So it went up over 100 points. Probably taking out all the orders. Woo! Now it might flip green because you just can't play around, man. This market will slap you up. It will slap you up. You know what I love about the NASDAQ, to be honest? I don't care how good you are, how famous you are, how special you think you are. The market will humble you. The market will grab you and go, don't play with me. Oh, you took the short? Oh, bro, you're playing with fire. You're playing with fire. Well, good, bro. I'm glad. But I don't play around on that first 5-minute candle, man. There's plenty of people that do, but for me it's gambling. I like waiting for direction. I like to at least wait for the 5-minute candle. Those people that just take a longer or short, I feel like that's playing roulette, man. Put it all on black. Look at this. Everybody that thought it was going short, reversed. Bullish pin bar, shooting star to the upside. It just flipped in 2 seconds from 100 something points at the bottom. You just never know. Just never know. But congrats, man. I'm glad that you made something there and you didn't get cooked. That was a risky move. That was a risky move. It's not always gonna work out, so I don't recommend that for future trading, unless you don't, unless you want to gamble. I mean, hey, go for it. It's your money. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, it showed like it wanted to go up, kind of tapped the top of EMA 21 there, which is the blue line on the 5-minute time frame. And right back down. No top wick on this candle just yet. We still got about 10 minutes or 9 minutes until the orb is set. ChatGPT, okay. I mean, it has some good information, but they still haven't cracked the code See, I'm looking at the ES. ES is looking like a shooting star. And NQ looks like it tapped EMA 21 and it rejected down, but looks like the bulls are stronger because on ES it is another bullish pin bar. 1 hour, 15-minute, everything is kind of turning into a shooting star right now. It literally tapped the London low and filled massive orders from what it looks like. This is turning into a shooting star on the 1 hour. So if this turns bullish, might be looking for a long. If we create the orb and then it breaks to the upside, it's just I needed to get above VWAP, man. I don't want to take a breakout to the upside into VWAP. That is a no-no. I don't care how strong the bullish pin bar is. I need to see a break above here. Because it taps this and then comes right back down. I'm going to feel retarded. We got to get above VWAP before we go long. That's my theory. So, we'll see. We'll see. Everything is looking like it wants to go up, but does it have the strength to break out to the upside? Let's see what happens. Everything looks like it wants to go up. 1 hour is trying to flip to the green, to the bull side. Let's see what happens. It's trying. Let me level this out here a little bit. But then again, we have VWAP right here. We got EMA 200 on the 1 hour. We got VWAP over here on the 5-minute. We got EMA 200. It just tapped EMA 50. Let's see if it could break through EMA 50 and EMA 200 and close. And hopefully it could break super trend. Fill this here. I want to see strong bullish momentum, man. But slowly, not that it runs without me. But yeah, look at this. Bullish pin bar turning into a shooting star. Now remember, this is a zone where it likes to range in. So we got to be careful here that we don't get chopped. Hopefully we don't get chopped. We'll see. We'll see. 31. ATR is at 31. That is decent. That's a decent ATR there. If it could just hang around there, 35, maybe even 40 is okay. A little volatile, but hey, need a little bit so the market doesn't just hang. Okay, broke through EMA 50. It broke through EMA 200. It's tapping super trend. In case you're wondering what super trend is, this dotted line here that I have on my screen is called super trend. It is calculated by price action. So if it breaks to the upside, it might want to change the trend to the upside. Super trend on the 1 hour is this one, so the trend is still up, even with this pullback, which is a big downtrend on the 5-minute. Oh, yo, this is a big shatter right here. For this to close like this, that's strong. It's closing above VWAP on ES. That's a good sign. We needed to close above VWAP on NQ now too, so we could change our flow to the upside. This is money right here. This is gonna be the deciding factor if it breaks above here. All right, we got 4 minutes and 37 seconds before the 15-minute orb is set. The 15-minute orb is massive so far. So far, we have from the opening range orb, opening range breakout, we got 79 points on the range so far, and it hasn't finished. We still got 4 minutes, so this could be more than 200. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, oof. A lot of buyers. 4 hour. Ooh. All right, so it's about to get to VWAP on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if it continues this bullish momentum. Now my concern is that again, I want to see some sort of pullback before I go in, man. I don't want this shit to run and keep ripping up without a pullback. That would suck. Might have to lower risk. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. It's reacting to VWAP on the 5-minute. Let's see what happens here. Looks like it broke above ES VWAP. ES is the S&P 500. It's doing a retest to the downside, retesting VWAP. So this is a little pullback, or it could be a complete rejection. Let's see. Let's see how strong VWAP is. This is going to tell us if it really wants to continue going up or what. But remember, the higher time frames usually are stronger. So this is showing super strong bullish momentum. Obviously, sweep, push, broke above super trend, EMA 200, EMA 50, EMA 21. It's testing VWAP right now. Let's see how it goes once it figures out the orb in 2 minutes, what direction it wants to go in. Alrighty. ES is ripping to the upside. Massive bullish pin bars right now. Massive shooting stars on ES to the upside on the 5-minute time frame. The 4-hour on NQ is bullish. All right. So yeah, it's obviously having a hard time to break out of VWAP. As you can see here on the 1-hour also. Has not broken out of here yet. This isn't terrible. ATR is at 36. We got about 1 minute before the orb is set. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Patience. If you would have taken this short here and didn't take profit quickly, you definitely got stopped out and cooked. Because look at this. It completely said, cool story, bro. I'm not going down. I'm going up. You have to wait and see what the market shows you. All right. Let's see. Figure it out. All right, so we're having a swing high taken out on ES. That's why it's pulling back and it's struggling at VWAP for NQ. So, all right, get ready to set the orb. Rectangle, if you haven't set it already. Ooh. Whoa. Is it running without us? Oh, no. All right, we got to see what happens. We got to see it close, so don't chase. ATR is at 37. I want to see a little bit of a pullback, maybe tap here, and then a break to the upside. Okay, I want to see at least retest this zone here before I take a long. That's what I'm looking for. All right, turning my copy trader on. And let's see what happens. I want to see a retest of the EMAs and a complete flip to the green again. And then a breakout, obviously. That's what I'm looking for. We do have London highs right here, and the daily high is right here. So we just got to be very careful. ATR is at currently 37. Make sure you set your orb. Setting it up on the other screens. So give me a second here. All right. I have set my orb on that screen. Let's set the orb on this screen. Uh-oh, looks like it's flipping to the green side. Is this going to run without us? I mean, everything is showing pretty bullish. Won't lie. It looks like it wants to run to the upside. If this closes and breaks to the upside, I will take a long here. That is not financial advice, but that's what I'm going to do. You could sit on your hands. You could do whatever you like. But look at this, man. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Who tweeted? Who tweeted? What the hell was that? That was a massive seller right there. Wow. Okay. I gotta be careful out here, man. Market don't play. 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. That shit went psych. Psych. If you got in there before the candle closed. Yep. Always understand there's risk on the table. So, and things like that happen. You gotta be careful. That wasn't pretty though. I'll tell you that much. That was a little scary. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait these 2 minutes, guys. I know. Stay it on your hands. Patience. If it breaks, we're going long. I'm going long. All right, please don't run without us though. Don't go too high either. We don't want it to run too far up. All right. I know it's still a lot of time on the clock. 1 minute. Come on. ATR is at 37. What's going on over here, man? It's struggling to go higher. Don't go too high without us, please. Don't go too high. Don't go too high. We got about 1 minute and 10 seconds left. If it breaks to the upside, I might be looking for a long. I just want to see ES break to the upside too. And it's NQ is already outside of the orb, but ES has not really broken to the upside outside of orb. But if I see both of them at the same time, which is about to happen in 40 seconds, it's a good chance this is going to keep running. I just hope I don't get caught in some sort of retest or pullback. I wanted to see it retest down here, but it didn't do that. And that, I don't know. I don't know. Okay. All right, 20 seconds. Moment of truth. Here we go. I'm going to go for it. If it doesn't freaking run out of gas, what the hell's happening here? Okay, I'm going to do it.
Order filled.
All right. Oh, well, that's not good. Oh, cooked. Okay, it retested. Come on. Don't go too low now. Oh no, it's gonna retest the bottom. I'm cooked.
Order filled.
Yikes. Literally tap my stop. Okay, we'll wait for the next move. Let's see if it comes down and then comes right back up. It is what it is, guys. It cooked me. Started really bad. Yeah, All right, it's okay. That's all right. We'll get for the next one. What are we at here? What are we at here? Lost 100 on that one. All right. Let's wait. Don't worry. I'll catch the next one. Watch. Let's see. The red pullback got me. The retest. You know, I thought, again, thought it was going to rip, but it did the psych. See, it broke out on ES. I'm sorry, it broke out on NQ, but it did not break out on what's it called? ES. So, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is really the retest I wanted to see, man. To be honest, this wasn't far enough. I really want to see it tap here. Maybe fill this imbalance and then show me it break out again. I thought the VWAP might have saved me, but it came and just wanted to go a little lower. It still might want to go lower, so we'll see. I mean, it also didn't really get too far above VWAP here, so yeah, it could chop. We'll see. We'll see. You didn't take it? Good, man. Good. I'm glad. I'm glad. Yeah, it ran out of gas. Obviously, ripped, ripped. I thought it was gonna keep going, but it decided to do its pullback right now. Woo! It's going. Now it's going down. It could completely reverse to the downside now. Let's see. It's turning into a doji. So let's see. Let's see what happens. One more trade. One more trade. So I only got one more bullet in the chamber for today. Let's wait for a good one and hopefully it works out. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, this 520 here, that is just a sim account. That I don't care about. This one is the eval. And this is a funded account. Down 100, but overall, I mean, we're still up on that account. It's okay. Even if I lose another 100. And then this one, even if I lose another 500, still up on the account. But regardless, I see that I'm gonna have to do something crazy on this eval eventually to just, you know. But yeah, we're gonna wait for this retest, wait for this pullback, whatever, or reversal. We're gonna wait. Stay tuned. I took one loss. Next trade should possibly be better. Hopefully. ES is looking like a complete reversal, guys. Complete reversal to the downside. 15-minute time frame is looking like a pullback. It just looks like a pullback right now. It's kind of the pullback I wanted to see before it broke out, but it freaking broke out. So let's see what happens here. Now let's see if it freaking wants to go up or if it's going to go lower. It's in a kind of a chop zone. I said it earlier in the morning. It might just bounce between these two EMAs right here. Pom, 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 pom. And this zone, which it likes to hang around. So we'll see. One more trade. I'm going to wait for the best possible trade. Let's see. Try to get my money back. We're either going to get even or we're going to get even worse. Might not be a good start for the week. But We'll see. The week is just getting started, guys. Don't blow all your accounts on the first day of the week. Oh, it's going lower on the ES. It's going lower. Oh, reverse to the upside. Okay. If this breaks and engulfs the red candle, might take a long. I might. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. If it engulfs it and closes higher, I might be a long. And if I get chopped to the downside again, then it's just going to be a freaking chop market, man. I don't want to be in that anyways. But let's see how this turns out. Maybe it closes up here. I hope. That'd be freaking great. Tapped EMA 200, EMA 21, EMA 50, and just rips to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pump, 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 pump. Let's get a ripper. Let's get a ripper. How big was this damn candle, man? This candle that wrecked me. It was more than 50 points. Ended up being 79 points. Yeah, 79-point candle. Oh shit, look at this. Reverse. It's going lower. So you gotta wait and see. Gotta wait and see what does want to do. What does want to do? I think it still wants to go up. It's just, this is a pullback right now. And it's gonna have its pullback, and then it's gonna figure out, do you want to go lower or do you want to go higher? Or it just could move sideways all damn day, like I said. It could move sideways. If there's no other good trade, then I might just take this one on the chin. And tomorrow we come back stronger. But let's see if something presents itself. I got a little time today. Stay on a little longer. Let's see. Does it want to rip to the upside or what? Come on. Figure it out, NASDAQ. Figure this out. Figure it out. Where are the bulls? Okay. Back to the downside. Wow. I feel like ES wants to go up, but NASDAQ wants to go down. That's how I feel from what I'm looking at. So they're both fighting the direction of where they want to go. Every time ES turns a little red, it completely flips green again and pushes NASDAQ up. That's crazy. Let's see. Should I do my max 300? So take the next trade and do 2 micros. And then the max loss for today would be 300 instead of my regular 200. The setup has to be really good. If I see a really good setup, I'll add another micro. If I'm not sure about the setup, then no. ATR is currently at 42. We're going to wait. It looks like it's struggling to go lower, but we don't really know yet. It's struggling to go up too, so it's literally between these EMAs. Okay. Nice little pullback there. Now show us you want to go higher or go lower. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Come on, show us the cards. Show us the cards. This is the new 1-hour candle, by the way. That's opened up. So it might want to take out the highs. It kind of did a little wick. Might want to shoot to the upside here. Let's see what happens. Or go a little lower, then go up. I mean, it's a brand new candle. So there is 58 minutes left on this candle. Anything can happen in an hour. Mm, 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 mm. That's the thing about no news Mondays, man. Sometimes sometimes it runs up and doesn't do a pullback. Sometimes it does a massive ass pullback. It just breaks breaks your stop loss. It's part of the game. You just gotta make sure that what you put on the table is what you're willing to lose, and that's how you gotta start the day. So when you lose, you're fine. All right. So do you want to go higher or do you want to just chop around all day? Let's see if it's gonna break this EMA here. I'm sorry, not EMA, VWAP. Let's see if it breaks VWAP, closes up here. That would be great. There, I'd probably if it could close above the damn wick. Oh baby, that'd be a very strong bullish pin bar for me. I don't know if it'll give you that. I don't know if it'll give us that. I think this shit wants to dump. Maybe lower retest I'm sorry, retest EMA 50 here. So yeah, it's running out of gas to the upside. Uh, it's in like in between all these EMAs on ES and on NQ, NASDAQ. It's literally in between all of this shit right here. Look at these. They're all right here. So every time it taps it, as you can see, there's a reaction. So it's got to break to the downside for me to even think about a short. But I just think overall, look at this. Overall, higher time frames, it wants to go higher, you know? It's just from looking at the higher time frames, it kind of tapped it. It filled this imbalance. The next imbalance is all the way down here. I don't think it cares to come all the way down here. At least not yet. Or maybe not this session. I think it wants to go a little bit higher. Maybe take out the highs. Daily high. Retest EMA 200 up here on the 1 hour. Fill some of these imbalances up here. Take out the London high. You know, like there's so much room for it to want to go up. It just doesn't have freaking speed and momentum right now. Come on, figure it out, NASDAQ. Figure it out. What do you want to do? I need to see a strong close above here to go long. Strong close, not a little close. Strong close. We got 20 something seconds left. I want to see a close up here to go long. If it breaks out just a little bit, it's a no. I want to see more. I want to see more. Nah, not enough for me, man. It's not enough. It could be great that it might continue going up, but okay. Okay. Almost got there, man. Now it fucking rips. Son of a bitch, bro. This motherfucker just at the last 2 seconds, it wanted to rip harder. So annoying. So annoying. All right. Sometimes it just doesn't give it to you, man. It just doesn't give you the damn thing you're looking for. But look, you see, is it gonna do a little pullback again? Freaking chopperoonie, bro. You better not go to the moon, man. You better not go to the moon without me. Oh, so annoying, bro. This is the type of shit that annoys me. Fucking runs now to swing highs, daily highs. It takes all that shit out. Then I don't want to take a damn long. There it goes. There it fucking goes. Motherfucker, bro. I wanted to see a little bit more. I wanted to see a little bit more. That's why I didn't take the long here. It just, you know, this is type of shit. All right, so it took out the swing high that it previously did, so I might want to go higher. Just hopefully it doesn't go out without me. Don't leave without me yet, man. Don't leave without me, please. Just hang around there for a minute. Hang around there, please. A few minutes. I don't think this gives it doesn't care. It doesn't care about you, David. It's like, nah, I'm gonna do what I want. I'm gonna fill all these damn gaps and go to the damn moon. This would have been TP already. Ah, bro. That is annoying. Now I feel like if I take this, I'm freaking chasing. Fuck. This is the kind of shit sometimes the NASDAQ just fucking when you hesitate or you just don't see the exact great move you want to see, then it's like, nah, I'm gonna do it now. Not when you want. Fuck. Yeah, no. I'm not gonna chase it, but if I see confirmation on ES that it wants to continue going higher, then it's not really a chase. My confirmation's coming from ES right now. And if you pull up the 4 hour, you'll see there's an imbalance on the top that it might want to go fill. So it might want to come up here. We also have these imbalances, so as long as we have some imbalances on the top that it wants to fill, I feel good about a long. I just don't want it to rip in this 1 minute and 20 seconds to the upside here yet. If it does get all the way up here, then yeah, no, I'm not gonna chase that. Fuck, man. This was the damn freaking move. Freaking break, retest, tapped, broke out, fucking ripped. But I just wanted it to close higher. And in 2 seconds, it did this shit. I thought it was going to close like here. All right, 50 seconds. Hopefully this shit doesn't freaking pull back and stop me out again. If it does, then I'm done for the day, bro. All right. 1. We do 2. We're going to do 2. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, boy. This shit better not pull back on my ass again. Figure it out, NASDAQ.
Order filled.
Fuck it. There it is. Let's go. Get your ass up there. Let's go. Let's go. Go higher. Oh, you bastard, bro. You're coming back down for this bullshit? You better go higher, bro. Go higher. Hit that daily high, bro. Get up here. Fill these gaps. Come on. You got London high. You got daily high. You got a freaking imbalance here. The 4 hour. Come on. Get higher. Don't go right back down. ATR's at 44. This is my last trade, win or lose. And we better win. I risk double, so this won't be break even. This will be a profit if I get up there. So as you can see, that's 240. This is 200. So we're risking a total of 300 today. And on the eval, 1,000. Bro, come on. Come on. Come on, ES. Everybody, just start ripping. Start ripping. Let's go. Stop playing around. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's only 50 points. Only 50 points. Only 50 points. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. Come on. Let's go. Let me show you guys this so you guys can look at the numbers and kind of panic. Let's go. Let's go. No, no, no. Wrong way. Oh my God, bro. This shit's on some bullshit today, bro. This shit is on some bullshit. Yeah, well, win or lose, cooked. Let's see what happens. This shit better flip, bro. This shit better flip and break to the upside. Come on, man. All right. Let's see what happens. Win or lose. I feel good about these two trades, regardless of what happened. You know, sometimes it is what it is, guys. Probability, guys. Probability. Let's see. Hopefully this shit doesn't chop here all day too. Like, come on. Fill those damn swings on the upside. Let's go. Come on, man. There we go. All right, there we go. Let's go. Let's get some nice pumps. Let's get some nice pumps. Let's recover. Let's recover the losses, please. I mean, 15-minute looks bullish. 4-hour looks bullish. We got ES looking bullish. We got everybody looking bullish, man. Now's when you're going to pull back. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Stop playing. Stop playing. Come on, man. At least get to, what's it called? 40 points, 160 ticks, so my auto trail kicks in, you know? If you stop me out at break even, then it is what it is. Okay. You're going to start having resistance here now? This last 40 seconds of the damn candle? Let's go. Let's go. Rip. Rip to the upside. Rip to the upside. There you go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Where those bulls at? Where the bulls at? There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, bulls. Come on. Push this shit. Push it. Push it. Push it. Come on. Push it. There it is. There it is. Let's go. Ooh, okay. Come on. Flip this. There we go. Let's get a nice push. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on. We almost got everything back right there. What do you guys think? Break even? The emotions. Now we're going to let it ride. We're going to let it ride. Let's go. Let's go. Auto trail should kick in a second now. Let's go. A little more. Let's go. Give me my money back. Let's go. Regardless, we're at break even. We ain't going to lose this one. Let's go. Come at me, boy. Let's go. Higher. Higher. You guys could close whenever you want if you took this long. You guys could close it now if you want. You get your money back in a few dollars. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't run out of gas now. Let's get a nice rip. Come on. Tap that TP. Don't come down and hit my break even, bro. Don't do it. Get up. Go higher, bro. Go higher. This guy's not emotional at all. At all. Come on, man. I know. It just hit the swing high of the daily. It just hit the London high. So let's see if it fills this gap. Hopefully to the 5-minute time frame. There's a little baby gap there. It might start doing a little damn pullback here, bro. And it's going to hit my break even. But you guys could have closed it. I told you guys close it. All right. Or you can let it play out. Or you can let it play out. Or should we play around? Should we play around? Nah, I don't want to play around. I'm not going to play around. We're going to let this happen. Whatever happens, happens. We're not going to play around. We're not going to leave a runner. We're just going to let it smash TP or break even. Yeah. That's all we're going to do. Come on, man. But, dude, like, get up there. Oh, it just hit the daily high on ES. So that's... It's running out of gas. Running out of gas. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Yep. I don't know. It might be out of gas. It might be out of gas. But you guys could have closed it. So don't blame me. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Let's go. Keep pumping. There you go. ES is pumping. ES is pumping. ES is pumping. Let's follow ES. Fill that imbalance. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Get up there. Push it. Push it. Oh, no. ES is running out of gas. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. The struggle bus. The struggle bus. What do you guys think? Should I take more profit? Should I move myself more into profit? Or let it ride? What do you guys think? Do I move my stop loss higher up? Secure more money? Or let it ride? Let it ride, baby. Let it ride. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. I believe in you. Let's go. Get my money back. Oh, shit. We're up good. We're up good. I don't want to give up that money. I don't want to give up that money. I really don't want to give up that money. Oh, my God. Don't come down and take me out. You better rip up right here. You better rip up right here. Let's go. Fill the damn TP, bro. Don't come down. Don't come down. Fill the damn TP. Come on. Fill it. Fill it. I don't want to lose this money. I don't want to lose that money.
Order filled.
All right. We're green, baby. It might rip to the top, but I didn't want to lose it. I didn't want that shit. Woo! We're back. We're back. 336. $75. And it shit kept running, bro. Whatever. We're green, baby. Took one loss. Doubled on the next trade. Got my money back. Plus $336. Let's go, guys. Let's go. It is what it is. One loss, one win brought everything back. How about them apples? You guys like that? Did you guys take that trade? Let me know if you got if it hit TP. If I didn't have moved my stop loss because of my emotions, it would have hit TP right there, guys. But I wanted to secure the win, and I am content with that. I'm content. You know what I mean? I'm content. Are you guys content? See? I'm happy with that, bro. I'm green, man. We started off a little rough, but ended up hitting a banger. And that is called risk management, ladies and gentlemen, and being patient, waiting for the appropriate setup. Look, 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 look. You see? You see how I ran out of gas? I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. If that didn't hit the TP, let's say it edged it. Let's say it edged it. I'd be pissed. I'd probably get stopped out here at 20 bucks. Then I'll have like $40. You know what? I'm happy, bro. That was a great move. That was a great move right there. How many points did I get on that, guys? Let's see. We're going to go 40 something points. Not great for my risk to reward, but I did have 2 micros on there, and I was risking 1,000 on the eval. So, how we doing on the eval now, huh? We got the 500 back. So in reality, I made back 800 something dollars. Because I'm positive. I was negative 500, and now I'm positive 336 on this account. So I made back $800 because I risked double, and I waited for this setup. I saw the retest. It got stopped out on the retest. It showed me a bullish here. I wanted more freaking confirmation, like an asshole, but I got it. It didn't it didn't take out London high yet, or the daily high. Another confirmation on the ES to rip. I took the long again. My bias was always long when it was breaking out to the upside, so that never changed. So sorry. Let me drink my coffee. But it wasn't chasing. It was not chasing. This is confirmations, guys. This was the first initial breakout. It could have continued to rip. I thought this original wick down was maybe a little quick retest, because sometimes it does that. Sometimes my 50-point stop loss allows for a pullback like this, but since ATR is at 40, it was I think at 40 something, it ripped and stopped me out. And that's okay, because that gives us a chance to get back in, wait for another setup, and take the trade. Look, you see? Look how far this shit's coming down now. Would have hit my stop loss at break even if I didn't move it up, and I'd be annoyed. So I'm happy I left with this. I really am. Green is green, baby, and we're still green on the week. We're still green on the week. One loss and got it back on my next one. What's up? Play with me, guys. Play with me. All right, so yeah. Breakout didn't work out on the first try. Waited for it to break above. I really wanted to take this one here, to be honest, but I just wanted to see it break just a little higher. I was being a little worried because I guess of this loss. It kind of messed up my psychology a little bit. I wanted to see a little more pump because it did this little freaking pump in the last literally 5 seconds. It did this little because it was here and it ripped up to here. So it literally pumped in the last 5 seconds before that candle closed. This is how the market like fucks with you, bro. Here we go. It ripped 12 points bro. 12 points in 5 seconds. It literally went rah, closed here, and did a tiny little pullback and ripped higher. This would have been a great long right here too. This would have been a better long, but I wanted to see a little more confirmation above these wicks, these prior highs. Once I got that confirmation, I got confirmation from the green candle. It was a bullish pin bar on the 4-hour. I saw a bullish pin bar on the 15-minute and on ES. This candle on ES was the breakout candle of the orb. That was my confirmation. When it was already outside of orb, I was like, okay, so it's outside of orb on NQ, and it's now breaking out to the upside with this candle on ES. That's why I took the long there. It did have a little bit of a pullback, but my stop was down here. So I was safe. Safe by VWAP and safe by 2 bullish imbalances. So yeah, I mean, there it is. 1 loss, and the next win recovered my losses. How about them apples? How we doing? $336. This is not real. This is a sim account, guys. I just have that there for games. But this is a funded account. 75 bucks. It was negative 100. So technically we made $175. Erase the loss, and now we're in the green again. And this account, since it's such a baby account, I was only doing micros on that one, and on this one I did a mini. That was a mini, so you guys know. A mini is 10 micros. I was doing 10 micros on the recovery. It could have gone bad, but I was willing to lose that. I was willing to lose. And you have to trust your strategy. You have to trust your patience, trust your edge. But yeah, guys, it would have smashed TP. But you know what? I wasn't going to fuck around and find out. Especially with putting double on the line. I was putting double on the line, and I was like, you know what? Let's confirm. If it wanted to tap me out, it did. It came down, tapped me out, and then went to the up. I might have put it a little too tight. It is what it is. But I'm happy. Regardless, we're green. We started off Monday in the red, ended in the green. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. It's doing its pullback again. It might tap VWAP or the top of orb one more time. Maybe come down here. You just never know. And then want to come back up. It did tap the swing high on the 1 hour here. So that's the pullback you're kind of seeing here, guys. This candle has, as you can see here, 30 minutes left. So the 30-minute candle, let's see how the 30-minute candle is going to close, which is semi-important. Still pretty bullish. This is a 30-minute candle. It's still pretty bullish. It is having a reaction to the super trend. There is a 30-minute imbalance right here, guys. So, I mean, I think the market still wants to go up, wants to fill these gaps, wants to fill this gap here on the 30-minute. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Has gaps up here too, and a swing high, and it might want to retest EMA 200. Where's EMA 200? 25,334 or 32 is the EMA 200. Are you guys green? Can you guys tell me in the chat if you're green or red? Did you take the first trade, risk too much, then you didn't take the second trade, or did you take both trades? Oh, look at this shit, bro. Reverse. It's just a little pullback, guys. It's going back. It's coming back. Oh, shit. Should we mess around with the sim now? Should we mess around? We're already up on the sim. Look at that. We're already up on the sim. If I were to take another trade, we are going to go long here. On the close of that candle, I will go long. If it doesn't fill these gaps and it closes up here, That is a longie. That is a longer in my book. Oh shit! I almost did it on the funded account. Below that account, playing around. Let's play around. Here we go. Long or what? We go long? We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. It could rip now, but this shit is. Give it 3 minutes. Damn, that's a lot of time. 3 minutes. This shit just wants to rip. All right, let's give it a minute. Let's give it the 3 minutes. If it shows like it wants to close green, we'll take a long on the sim account. See if we can make 10 racks. 10 racks on the sim. 10 racks on the sim playing around. We're already green on the day, guys. We're already green on the day. Even if it's $75, even if it's $1, you're green. 336 on the eval. I am up $2,000. I gotta make $18,000 still on that damn account to pass it. You missed out, brother. What are you doing? You're taking shorts without me. You're not taking the longs with me. What are you doing? Bueno, I'm gonna take this long if it closes green, because this is a super engulfing green candle right here. If it closes like that, I want to come up here and retest EMA 200, fill these imbalances. Thank you, appreciate it. 2 minutes on this candle right here. This thing looks like a massive. Let me put the
green giant.
That's a massive green giant. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutos. Let's see. Let's see. Is it gonna break the daily high? If it like, is it just gonna rip? Not give a chance to anybody come in. We got 1 minute and 38 seconds. Let's see where this green candle closes. If it chops down, well, whatever. We're gonna take a fake trade. You guys could watch or do whatever you want. Not financial advice, but this is a green engulfing candle. If it closes like that, we got to stay patient and see what happens. It could reverse and come straight down. Anything is possible. Anything is possible with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ don't care about what you want. It does what it wants. Everybody who took that short at open wrecked to the upside. Wrecked, ladies and gentlemen. That is called total destruction. If you took that short and you're still hanging on, oh, I'm gonna just dollar cost average in. You're getting squeezed. The trend has bounced from these imbalances in EMA 50 and above VWAP to the upside, guys. Overall, the trend is to the upside. Look at this shit. Look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Oh, this is going up. This is going up, guys. Going all in on the sim account. 99 micros. We're going long at the close of this candle. Here we go. Is it going to be a winner? I don't know.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. I usually win on the sim, guys. I'm just saying because I trade with zero fear. It's either $11,000 or $9,000 loss. Either $11,000 win or a $9,000 loss. Let's see. I'm already up 1,000, up 500, up 300. Let's see what happens here. Am I gonna get? Is it gonna chop it? Is it gonna chop? I don't believe it. I think it's going up. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, guys. Why didn't you take that on the other accounts? I don't need to. I'm already green. I'm already green. Why play around? Why play? If you're gonna play around on the sim. But test out your theories. That's what the sim account's for. So you get, look at this, up 3 racks, 99 micros, also known as about 10 minis. About 10 minis. Look at this shit. 3,000, 4,000. Oh, I just made your whole salary for the month. If that was a real trade. I mean, there's people taking trades like this all day. There's people that got money to risk 10 racks. 10 racks is like $10 for them, you know? And they make 10K or 5K like this. Butter, baby. Butter. Anything is possible in the stock market. The possibilities are infinite. You know? But when this is real money, your psychology is completely different, guys. I don't care. You're not. See, right now I don't care if I lose. But if this was real money, you'd be worried if you say go to 5K and then go see it go back to 0 right there. You'd be like, oh my God, I'm up 3, 4, 5, 6K, and then you see it back to 1,000 or back to $400 or negative. The amount of restraint and discipline and mental regulation that you need to trade this amount is it takes years, or it takes a level of I don't give a fuck. It takes a level of resilience. But look at this, up again, 4K. Ain't that beautiful, huh? I bet you shit hits TP, bro. It's just because, you know, I'm like, I think I'm 100. Honestly, I think I'm like 100% on the damn eval account. I'm sorry, not the eval, the sim account. The sim account, I'm like 100%. But then again, almost I feel like everybody wins on the damn sim account because everybody trades with no fucks given. Oh, you took this one? Hey! Papa Baro, what are you doing? You're taking the ones that I'm not really that serious about. But yeah, no, that was a good long. That was a good long. I just didn't, take it on my other accounts because I'm already green. There's no need to it. But I took that one, because it gave me a good confirmation of engulfing. Look, it engulfed not just this red candle, guys. It engulfed this candle also right here. So this is a massive green giant engulfing both. Strong push to the upside. You guys could close as you want. It might not come up here, but it might. I don't care. This is the sim account, but if you guys are in profit, you could take profit whenever you want. But yeah, look how much it's ripped since my entry. 30 points, bro. These what's it called? Influencers that trade mad bread, bro, they're happy with 10 points. This shit went 30 points. Play with me, bro. These people are happy with 10, 15 points. This shit didn't even have, look at the drawdown. What do I have in drawdown, guys? Bro, I can't even see the drawdown. There's barely a wick there on this long. Hold up. Drawdown, 1.50. 1 point of drawdown, 30 points to the upside. And these people are happy with 10, 15 points. Bruh. Now that shit's reversing. If you didn't take profit, I'm sorry. But that's why sometimes you just gotta take profit on those 30 points. It might continue going up, but I mean, might struggle. It has been kind of choppy, guys. It's struggling to go up. We'll see what happens. But bro, 30 points to the upside. Look, now it rips to the upside. I'm gonna take that away so you can see this better. Let's watch this just smash 11 racks. Let's watch it smash or get cooked. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Bro, I've hit I think 10K or 11K on this not this eval, the sim account so many times that if I was doing that with the damn eval, I would have passed that shit already. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to do one of these moves on the eval though. Maybe not 99, but maybe like 50 micros or 40 micros at some point just to get to that 20K. So y'all stay tuned for that day. Y'all stay tuned for that. That should be interesting. It's either gonna be a bad day or a great day. Can it go higher? Yes, it can go higher. And what's at the top? We got EMA 200 hasn't tapped it, hasn't tapped the swing high here, which it might want to tap. And we have imbalances here. We also have on the 30-minute time frame. Another reason it want that's why it tapped and came down. It filled the imbalance on the 30-minute. Kind of filled it. Now, if we want to see it continue going up, it needs to close in the next 18 minutes. That's a lot of time. It needs to close up here for we could see a continuation on the 30-minute, but that's just too much time to waste. You gotta look at the higher. It could do pullbacks way in 18 minutes. It could do anything. Will this thing go to 11K? Patience, patience. Gotta have patience. Emotional regulation. Thank you guys for tuning in. I have not said this, but hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let's see what happens with the sim account. Let's see, let's see. It's ripping. I don't know. It's in a tricky zone. In a tricky zone. Could chop here. Who knows? It could chop here. We are at the top of London High. They create a higher high. Let's see if it might want to fill that. I think it does. I think it does. Vamos a let it ride. Let's let it ride. This is just a sim count. We're just playing around. We're already green on the day. We took one loss and took one win. The win erased the loss because I doubled on the second trade because I felt very confident that it was going to continue rising. This is the win for today. This is the real win for today. This is just playing around. All right. But we're up. We're keeping the green streak up. Let's go. We're keeping the green streak. Come on, baby. It's playing with people who want to go long, but this thing wants to go up. I think it wants to go up. With a strong chance it wants to go up. Oy, oy, oy. Hey, Danny, are you still in the trade? You still in there or what? You're fighting for your life or what? Okay. Here we go. Is it gonna go higher or is it gonna start pulling back? Is it gonna fill those imbalances? Are we gonna hit 11,000 on the sim account? Already green for the day on the eval and the funded account. So I took it even. Oh, you broke even. All right. Yeah, I know. I did a little swipe down after the 30 points. But yeah, it does that, man. It does that. Sometimes it comes down, taps you out, and then it rips to the upside. Look at that shit. That's annoying, but you just can't move to break even that fast, bro. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You have to understand that the market will have its swings, and you have to be ready to lose whatever you put on the table. Because if you want to just protect it all the time, you're never gonna catch the big move because it's gonna stop you out and then go for the big move. But yeah, it is fairly choppy to go in any direction, to be honest. It is fairly choppy. It's like a struggle bus, man. It's pop, down, pop, down. I mean, it's pretty, but these candles, inside these candles, it's been like chop, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If you look at maybe the 1 minute time frame, which could care less for, but yeah, look at that. This was chop right here. Whoa. Is this thing oh, okay. There you go. Chop. That was the morning set. That was 10 o'clock. That was a crazy chop right there. Ripped. Freaking chop. Rip down again. Chop to the top. I mean, it's actually pretty, at least on the 1 minute, it looks fairly good, except for right here. This looked super chop. These are little pullbacks. Doesn't look too bad on the 1 minute, actually. This is fairly choppy, though. On the higher time frames, yeah. It's definitely choppy here on the, but now I'm telling you. Guys, if you're green on the day, it's a good day. It doesn't matter if it's $1. If you broke even, you're still good. Tomorrow is another day. You don't always have to win something. Sometimes just hitting break even is fine. It's better than being red. I can promise you that. Being red sucks. But if you're red, don't go on tilt trying to get those losses back. Set rules for yourself, win or lose. And tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow the market should move a lot faster, maybe with more momentum because of the news at 8:30 that we saw. Let's see. Oh, my bad. That wasn't it. This was the news. Well, this is the news. 8:30 for tomorrow. So that should move the market. Let's see. Does this shit want to fill it or what, bro? This shit's stuck at 4 racks there. It's just stuck at 4 racks. Nothing crazy. Can we get a cha-ching? I want to hear the cha-ching. I don't know. For it to make the cha-ching sound, it has to go above 40 points. That means it hasn't gotten to at least 40 points yet. Yeah. I don't know. It might take a while to get up there, but I think it will go up there. From what I'm looking at on the other time frames, it's going to do like a slow grind to the upside. Slow grind to the upside. It's about to hit that cha-chinger. We got 6,500. Is it going to hit the $11,831? We're going to find out if it hits it. Hey, we are guaranteed in the sim account money. Bruh. One wrong trade. One great trade. Not great. Oh, good trade. Come on, bro. And then another good trade. Bro. Another one. Another one. Play with me, bro. I'm on another level, bro. I really am. I don't mean to brag. I don't mean to brag. Come on, hit TP already. Hit TP. 10, 11. Let's go. Fill it. TP. Order filled. Let's go. Come on, hit it. We're at 10 racks. We're at 10 racks. I'm going to let this do what it does. I'm going to let it. Because it's going. Come on. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Don't stop me out at what, 3,900. You better rip that. Come on, man. Hit that order filled, target filled. Target filled. Now it's running out of juice. Now it's running. Now come on, you're playing with people. You're playing with people. I know you want to hit it. You're just playing with my emotions. Even though this is a sim account, but I do want to see it hit 11,000 on my third trade. So 1 loss, 2 wins. However you want to call it. It's a fake trade, but my theory is correct. Green giant engulfing 2 red candles. What does it tell you guys? What does this tell you? It wants to go higher. Hey, brother, you know, I'm giving out sauce here, man. Not everything's going to be great, but hopefully you're learning something. I'm not always right, but I could tell you that I'm about 70% right. So, yeah. That's right. Green is all that matters. Green is all that matters. What time is it? 10:52. I'll stay for a little while. Let's see. I want to see this either hit the stop loss or hit that take profit. I think it's going to hit the take profit before the stop loss. What do you guys think? Or is it going to tap me out? Tap me out in profit. It already hit like 10K. I could have closed it, but you know, we're just going to let it ride. Just going to let it ride. Make sure you hit that like button, guys, please. Hit the like button. Help me grow the channel. Takes 2 seconds to hit that like button. And thank you if you already hit it. Okay, I guess it's coming down for the damn stop loss. Damn it. Damn the donkey. Oh, man. I'm telling you, NASDAQ, I don't give a shit if you're on the sim account, on a real account, on a funded account, on an eval. It does what it wants. Oh, you want me to fill this? How about no? Bop. And then it comes up and fills it. Sometimes, or completely reverses. We'll see. We'll see. It's a fake out. Might be a fake out to the downside and go psych. Everybody wants to take a short right now and go, psych. It doesn't go down and it goes pop. Or maybe it does come down. I don't know. It has been doing its little pullbacks. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Man, for me, I just really want to see everybody in green, you know? Like, I don't like to lose. Nobody does, right? But I hope you guys ended up green today on a Monday, on the week. We're already up 336 and 75 on this funded account. Originally was a loss of 100, and we're up 170, and we're up 75 now. So happy with that. Up 2K on this eval, pretty much in 60 bucks. Hey, there goes. There goes. I bet you it rips. I bet you it rips. Come on. Come on. Look at this ripper. Here it goes. Here it goes. Look at this shit. Look at this. Oh, no. Is it going to go down or is it going to go up? It's going to go up. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. This takes so much patience. Even if it was a 1 micro trade, this takes patience, man. The patience it takes. Look at that shit, man. It didn't even fill the damn gap, and now it's already coming down. Come on, bro. Go up. What in the world? Will it just take the take profit? Will it just tap it? Brother. ATR is at 41, in case you guys are wondering, which is pretty high. Let me zoom in here so you guys can see how freaking close it is to the damn green line. Hey, oh my God, it's so close.
Target filled.
Hey, target filled, ladies and gentlemen. What's up? And it's going to the moon. $12,000 on the sim account. What's up, guys? What is up, bro? Look at this shit. Look, now it wants to fly. Look at this shit. All that little struggle here. All that damn little struggle for it just to freaking rip. But you need what? You need patience. You need patience on another level. This shit will test you. This shit will test your patience, guys. Super green on the day. Took one bad trade, two good trades. The third one was just for fun on the sim account, guys. But that sim account has from 100K, I've made 46K. You imagine if I had 100K in real life to play with? That's what I mean. That's what more or less will be the outcome. Maybe. Who knows how my psychology would change. But there you go, guys. 12K. Bro, there's people making this shit. Look what's possible, guys. Just look what's possible. There's so many levels to this, and this is pennies, bro. Pennies to the market. If you actually get good at this skill, bro, you know what it is to make $12,000 on a stupid pushing a button that says buy on a computer, and people don't make this in 6 months, and you just made it in what was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 minutes or 20 minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 minutes, bro. You made 12,000. If you make $12,000 in 25 minutes, bro. You know what I'm like? This shit fucks with your head. Like, you can't work a 9 to 5 after this, bro. Because when you see how easy it is to make $150 or 300 something dollars, which takes people 8 hours to make sometimes at jobs, like you're like, bro, what am I doing? A kid on Instagram or I'm sorry, on YouTube just made 10 racks. And I'm out here working, taking orders, getting yelled at by customers, pushing a damn product, when all you really need to learn is how to read these candlesticks, push buy or sell at the right moment. Understand this, bro. This is a cheat code, bro. This is a cheat code for money. If you learn this skill, checkmate, homie. This is checkmate. Nobody could tell you nothing. Nobody could take this skill from you. Nobody could tell you nothing, bro. Nobody could tell you nothing if you learn this shit. You got no boss to tell you when you got to come into work, bro. I could turn this stream off right now and just go to sleep. But I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna stay doing productive stuff. But insanity, guys. Insanity when you really learn how to trade the markets. When you understand these imbalances. Look at this shit just keeps ripping, bro. Look at this. Y sigue para arriba. It's going for this high up here. It's coming for these imbalances. When you just start learning all this stuff, man. It's tapping EMA 200. You know that there's going to be some sort of reaction here at the swing high. You know. Y'all need to learn this shit, man. Y'all need to watch me every Monday through Friday. I've been doing this for almost 2 years, looking at the charts every single day. And I have done my homework, guys. I'm telling you, I've done my homework. I learned candle theory. I've learned ICT. I've learned uh, every influencer's strategy, and I made my own orb strategy. I've learned all of them, and I literally back tested what I see works, and it's giving me about a 70% win rate. So there is a 30% loss rate that nobody talks about, the loss rate, right? 30% is the loss rate, because anything that's 100% is a scam, I think. 70 plus, bro. Bro, most businesses, for them to be successful, is 20%, and people are super happy with that. Tell them it's 70%. Get out of here, man. 70% on a 1-to-1 ratio. Ask ChatGPT how profitable that strategy is. You don't have to take it from me. 1-to-1 ratio, 70% win rate or higher. Is it a profitable strategy, ChatGPT? It's going to say very profitable. Very profitable. How is it not profitable? If I'm at 50% or lower, I'm not. I've back tested. I've done the homework. I've done over 5 years of homework on this stuff. I'm telling you guys, in the long run, you're profitable. But you have to take the time and learn and test your theories, practice with the sim. These little trades that I take with the sim, yeah, they look like nothing, but it confirms in my head that I was right. That's all it is. I saw this bullish engulfing candle on the 5-minute time frame. What does bullish mean? Bullish means bulls, the buyers, have completely taken control and erased everything the sellers did. It completely rejected their sell and showed us it wants to go up, man. This is not gambling when you learn the markets. It's all here, man. It's this tells you, and you can learn order flow. You can learn all this stuff, bro, but the basics is learning what these candles mean. The higher time frames, what they mean. Setting up averages of what the market does when it gets to these levels. Like, guys, bro, like, learn this shit, man. It'll change your life. It'll change your life, I promise. If you can make $5 or $10, one day you'll be making millions of dollars, thousands of dollars, whatever you're content with, you know? It's a process, but you'll learn eventually. I recommend using prop firms until you could get multiple payouts, and then maybe later, once you get multiple payouts, you open up a little live account with the prop firm money and set the same rules for yourself with live money. But I say, you know, trade with prop firms first. Get multiple payouts, do your homework, and when you do your homework, you're confident about the trades. And also, of course, risk management. Risk management all day, guys. You got to understand your risk on the table and be okay with the loss. You have to be okay with the loss. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose, you know? Because you want to stay alive in the market until you see a good move. A good move like this, you know what I mean? And this was, this was a little fake out, obviously. And the fake out was clear. I just took the chance regardless. I was willing to take that loss. Um, it broke out on here the first time, but it didn't break out on ES. ES did not break out. ES was like down here. ES pulled back. NQ pulled back. Retested EMA 50. Retested EMA 200. Couldn't go lower. Broke out again right here. I was thinking about this, but I wanted to see just a little closer of a close to the top. Bad one on my mistake there, but like I just wanted to see a little stronger. It wasn't bad. It was a strong green candle. It wouldn't have been a bad, obviously, along there. But I waited. This candle, this is another reason why I didn't take this. This candle on ES was still inside orb on ES. This candle broke out of orb on ES and it was clearly above the swing highs. So that's why I took the long here. Showed me a bullish. It was bullish here, bullish on the 15-minute, bullish on ES, showing me it wanted to go up. So yeah, I waited a little longer for that confirmation. And luckily I have a good stop loss swing that it didn't come down and swing me out. And I got took profit right here when it started to come down. So, you know, it is what it is. And so, you know, when I took this long here, this was my second trade. This was the loss. This was the win. I had my stop loss here at VWAP. So this thing, even if I didn't take profit here and it came down and I waited and I stayed patient, I didn't trail, look how high it eventually kept going. It was a win, bro. It was a win. Bullish, bullish, V shape, V pullback. You know, like this is market structure. This is beautiful market structure. If you look at it, swing low, swing high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Like, bro, this is market structure right here, man. What are we doing? Use the knowledge you have. That'll give you the confidence to take the trade. I was wrong one time. It kind of faked me out here. It did the pullback on my ass. Guess what? I waited. I said, okay, let me see if it really wants to go down lower or if it wants to pop up. It showed me. It closed above, broke out, closed above, bounced off here. Should I have taken the long here? Maybe. I just, you know, I wanted more confirmation like I told you. Took the long here. Got this move right here. This was over 44 points on 2, and I doubled. I doubled because I did 1 micro on this trade, then I did 2 micros. So I was willing to lose 300 on the day in total. So this was a win or lose. I was happy regardless of what happened. But since my win rate is 70%, the odds are in my favor, right? Ended with 352, or I'm sorry, minus the fees and stuff, 336 and 75. Then to play around and test out my theory, waited for another pullback and said, all right, let me mess around. This candle shows a huge engulfing green candle. And I said 99 contracts on the sim account just to play around. Boom. Hit a total of $12,000. Ain't that some shit? And if that was a regular trade and somebody on my subscribers took that trade on their funded or eval, they came out winning. They came out winning. Even on the sim, I still take what my strategy would have done, just so you guys know. And like I said before, I think honestly, I haven't lost on the damn sim account. That's some crazy shit. This account started with 100K. It's at 46,750, and it started with 100K on the sim. That's a simulation monopoly money, just in case you're wondering what that is. You're like, yo, David's balling. Nah, yeah, I wish. I wish. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the chat, and I will explain it for you. I hope you guys took a win and a green trade today. Happy Monday. Hope you guys enjoyed the Super Bowl. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit that like button so I can grow this channel. Looks like it's doing some sort of pullback right now. ATR is going down, so it is running out of fuel a little bit. Took, in reality, 2 real trades. The third trade was for fun, but it did follow my strategy. And that's why it won also, which obviously won $12,000. Oh my goodness. I wish that was real money, right? One day it will be. One day it will be, guys. It's chopped for every 20 minutes. It takes it. This is what's known as a slow grind to the upside, and this mostly happens when there's no news for the day. There is no news. It's called No News Monday. So what does the market do? Chops around, slow grinds, grinds up or grinds down. But this is a grind, man. I'm sure tomorrow it's gonna be all the way up here. It's probably gonna fill these damn gaps and then do its pullback, retest EMA 200, and we'll be looking at the market trying to fill this imbalance maybe, or maybe it fills it today. Who knows? Who knows? But I know one thing. We're green, and that's all that matters. We continue the winning streak for the week. Continuing the winning streak. Almost lost it on that first trade, but got it back on that second trade. I felt pretty confident. That was actually an amazing entry on the second trade. Instead of taking the order being filled up here, it got filled a little lower. That was pretty dope. That rarely happens. I usually get filled at the wrong spot. So that was pretty cool that it happened right there. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure to go to Instagram and follow Trading with David 305. Because after I'm off stream, I'll usually talk there, or I'll post information there. So make sure to get updates on what I'm doing or what I'm up to or what's going on, I guess. I'll tell you usually when I'm going live or if I do a special session at Asia or something. You never know. You never know. You'll get all your updates on that Instagram page mostly. I also have a TikTok that's Trading with David 305 also, but I'm not super active on there. Should be, but I do post info on there too. Make sure to follow that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are green. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. And let's keep the green streak going. We just got to stay patient and take the best setups, man. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Enjoy the sun if you're in Florida, and stay warm if you're up north. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, watching me trade the NASDAQ. And peace.